fighter. Oh, wait a second here. I'm going to bring a surprise. Okay. Hey. Hey. Wow, firefighter. Of course. Let's start unboxing it. Okay, can you unbox for me? I'm so much tired. We're going to unbox it together. Okay. I'm going to unbox it from here. I'm going to unbox it from here. Let's start unboxing it. Hey. Hey, there are some boxes in that. There are only some boxes over here. Hey, this isn't unboxed stuff. So guys, there are so many things. I'm so excited to taste this. For the dolls, there are already 2 persons. For the box, you know. Look, there are 2 persons already for the dolls. And a 3 car. Everyone, look, the car also can be opened and closed. That's why the car cannot wee-woo, make the voice. There are some things that guys and having a and look, there are more boxes. Hello. Hi. Wow, everyone, look, there are some stickers in mine. Oh, I really like doing the sticker part, but I'm putting this aside. This is the stickers, no, these are instructions. Come on, everyone, let's open it.
And look, everyone, we also have instructions.
Yup, but no. Everyone, look, there are some more stuff to take out. I'm going to bring these all. There's even a builder, even the ice cream shop. Oh, I was distracted to look at the instructions. Look how much big is this. Wow. I can push the start. So come on everyone, I'm opening this stuff. These are going to be shells. Let's open it. Open it all. So let's check what is the first. Okay. See, this is the first. So can I see what do we need? See, okay, first step we need 1. So everyone, we are going to make a fire station. Okay, I have one light. This is me light, of course. But this is just not rainbow.
So first we need this one.
And then we need... Is this? No. This is a different one. We need this, okay. We need this, okay. Let's start fixing it. What's this? This needs to be like this. This needs to be like this. Hey, should this be? This is the stuff. This is the thing that we made with. This looks like an dress, but not right. But it isn't done right now. Now we just need to. So look everyone, our first step is completed. This aside. We still need this. Where is the shopper? Where? Now let's start step number 2. So everyone look, we need these two for the step number 2. So first we need to stick this on this like the first one. With the same with the first one but not like this. Look everyone, the second step is the same but it's hard to pull. Our second step is done. Just now we need to stick this over here. Now let's start step 3. Look for step 3, we need these 3 stuffs. Now let's start putting them all together. Putting them all together is my favorite part. It's very easy, but the other one aren't easy. I need to check with 2. We need to. Is it step number 4 or 3? Come on, let's look how this looks. This looks the prettiest. I really like the decoration I did and made this. So let me take up the stuff. Show me number 4. So come on, we need these 3 stuffs for the 4th one and let's start building now. I think no more talking right now. Now look, like this we can open it, see? And now where do we have to put this? Look, now we have done the step number 4. We need these 2 for the step number 5. Oh yes, 5. We have to put them together and in the top of this. Now look how does this looks like. They didn't put the stickers over here. Let's move. Okay, come on. We need one of these. Another one. And also this. And this. We need these both for the other step. We need these both for the second step. I mean the 6th step. And now let's plug this in like a plumber. Okay, this cannot go in. Oh, I cannot do this. Look now this, I made it all. Now let's put it on top of the white one. Look this, how can we go from like this? There is no place. Yes, there is no. So let's move on the sound step. 1, 4, 3. We need two dark colors and 1 light color. So first we need a dark color, put it on top of white and 1 like this. Now with 1, 2 over here. See, we have done.
Very nice.
Now let's move on the step number 8. Once like that, these are for the step number 8, and we have to put this over here. Oh no, the one is bigger. It is the wrong one. Oh yes, this. Look, and now we have to put it on top of these. See everyone, how does it look? It still doesn't look like a real. 2 dark and 1 light. Again, 1 light. And I didn't have the 2 red or 2 blue. Let me check if I have 2 red or blue. and then put it on top of here, like over here. Now see how does it look, everyone. Now let's move on the step number 10. 1, 2. Again, the round one. So everyone, look. This time they're different. The other ones are red. And look, the same. I have to plug it in. Now let me. Look, I fixed it, and now let me see how do we need to plug it and where do we need to plug. Look, now we have to plug this in over here. Look, this is the same. Come on, see how does it look. Now we have to put step number 11. Yes, 1, 2 dark and 1 light. Again. Yellow. Look, 2 red, 2 blue and 2 yellow this time. Is this going crazy? Now 11. We have to plug it over here, just with this. See? And now let's move on the 12th step. I took one of this. We need them now. And where do we have to put them? This step. Oh, this. And put them over here. No. I got it now. You need to put them over here. Look how is it looking now. Let's move on to step number 13. We need again to like that. Now, yes. Now there are 2 yellows like that. One over here. And pull. Now let's put the other one over here. Ta-da! Now let's move on to step number 14. When is that? For 14 we need this here. I'm going to try. Look. Where do we have to put this? Oh yes, over here. Here, this too. Done. Now let's move on to step number 30. There is no step number 13. Now it's finished. But wait a second. These both are over here. Then let's check in the back if we missed these. Done. Show me this. Now we are going to paste the stick. Now look how this looks like. This looks the prettiest door ever. So everyone, look, there are 2 firefighters. Look, one is a girl, one is a boy. I think girls can also be firefighters, even though they don't like being firefighters. So look at the firefighter station, even though they are stickers. But I like this, right? Bye.